Guys, I just got home from work. New watch alert. Check it out. It's actually a watch I've already owned. This is the second time I own it. Come and see. Alrighty guys, here it is. I'm super excited about this watch. I've been waiting for this watch to come in for a couple days. Quick wrist check. Got my Speedy on the Uncle Seiko or Uncle bracelet. And here it is. There it is. There's the brand. It's a Vaer. Yes, if you guys been following my channel, if you guys know, you know that I'm a big fan of Vaer. And this is my new watch. The second time I own this watch. Here it is. It's nothing more than the Vaer S3. If you follow me, you know I own the Vaer S5, which was a 40 millimeter. I love that watch, but it was a little too big for me for my liking. So I actually, if you saw my last video, I gifted that watch to my brother and I ended up buying this. This is the S3. This is the 36 millimeter version of the watch. I gave my brother the 40 millimeter version of the watch, which is the S5. And I absolutely love this watch. I actually ordered the Vaer steel bracelet. It's a great bracelet. What's it called? It should be coming in this Saturday, but here it is. This is such a good watch. The Vaer S3 36 millimeters. I'm very happy to have this. I'm so excited. I love the 40, but it was just a little too big for my liking. I like 39 millimeters and down, and I'm super excited. Little story behind this watch. So the story behind this watch is literally a couple of days ago, my brother came over for Father's Day. We had a great brunch because my dad had to go to work at the end of the day. And I gifted him his first watch, his first micro brand watch, or you could even say his first proper watch, because he's a Apple Watch type of dude. And I gave him the Vaer S5 40 millimeter. Well, that same day, I was at my in-laws house and I'm like, you know what, let me go on eBay because these are completely sold out. I went on eBay and with 4 minutes left, there was an auction for this. And I bought it for 150 bucks. And I'm so excited. The bracelet was $99 and I can't wait for it to come in. And it's just really cool because my brother's actually been wearing it ever since I gave it to him. He ditched the Apple Watch and he's been wearing this watch ever since. He says he absolutely loves it and that it's a really cool watch. He loves the bracelet. And for the money, guys, what Vaer is pushing out is pretty awesome, and the quality is there in my opinion. And I'm just excited to have the 36 millimeter. I've literally been reaching out to people who own this watch on social media. There it is, look at that, so good. It's gonna be even better on the bracelet. I've been reaching out to people on social media that I know own it to see if they even if they would sell it to me. Hashtag shout out to Jack's Watches. I hit him up, I don't think he's ready to part ways with his, but nonetheless, I'm super excited to own this watch. Super excited that me and my brother are gonna be able to share, you know, and experience this watch together. He has it, I have it. So now when we go do things together, we're both gonna be rocking our Vaer, which I think is awesome because we don't really bond like that, but it's cool that we're bonding on something. And it's in excellent condition. Like I said, I bought it for 150 bucks on eBay. I was waiting all day. I was so excited for the last couple days for it, and I can't wait till the bracelet gets here. And yeah, hope you guys like it. New watch alert. And yeah, I'm really happy right now. Really happy, and can't wait till the bracelet comes in. Super excited to have this back in my collection. It was literally not in my collection for 5 days, and when I got rid of the S5, the 40 millimeter version, and now I have the 36. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and follow for more watch content. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this longer rant video type style. Super excited, guys. The Vaer bracelet is here. The mail just came, so come check it out. Here is the bracelet in all its glory. Comes with a nice little tool here, and there it is. Solid end links, as you can see here. I'm about to get ready to put it on, and I will show you guys. Can't wait.